Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Dana took the 8-hour trip from North Carolina to get the audio upgraded on his brand new CVO. So it's 2024 CVO, went with an NVS Audio Stage 5. So we have NVS Audio 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, sealed and ported, Cicada CH in the fairing. We did FLX 700 in the fairing. We did the Sound Digital 3000.1. We did Doobie's bass knob. Wanted crystal clear sound. Did an LED lighting kit too. And another one for the books. Looks amazing, sounds amazing. He actually rode up, flew back home, gave us 2 weeks, I think, to put the bike together. Flew back to pick it up, and then took the 8-hour ride home, enjoying his music the whole way. Check out the build.
Listen carefully to the sound of a loneliness like a heartbeat drives a man in the stillness of remembering what you had, what you lost, and what you had. Now here I go again, I see the crystal.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night, you got this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night, you got this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night.
so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. All. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Dana took the 8-hour trip from North Carolina to get the audio upgraded on his beautiful CVO. Was it worth the trip?
Absolutely. You guys are fantastic.
Thank you, sir.